Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make these fun petal canes. One for a rare morning glory flower and one for a zebra primrose. I found pictures for them on the internet. Let's start with the morning glory. Make a blend between fuchsia, ultramarine blue, and white. Cut the blend in two so you have blue in both pieces, and set the one with fuchsia aside for now. Make a thin strip from the blue and white piece, and then start making a fan fold. Do a couple folds first, and then start folding over the sides. At the end, we want a semicircle shape with the blue color mostly encased in white. Make a normal fan fold with the fuchsia piece. If your blue and white cane was too tall, condense it a little bit. For the pattern, you will need something with a blunt side, like a credit card or this type of plastic squeegee I normally use for silk screens. Make indents on both sides and then push the cane back together again. Now, with your blade, cut the cane into strips, and then rearrange the pieces back together slightly off-center. Fill the empty spaces with more blue and push the cane together again. Repeat the process a few times, cutting and rearranging. Make your cuts in different directions for a more interesting pattern. For this next step, the goal is to have more white on top of the petal. So when you see what I'm doing, I am pushing it over to the side with my fingers, the white, and at the same time trying to shift it slightly over the blue part as well. You'll need to pinch the top into a point, and then when you have the petal shape, reduce it to get two sections. Now you need to cut off small triangles from the bottom of each petal side. Take the remaining fuchsia cane and pinch the blue side into a thin, long point. You'll need to fit the resulting cane between two petal pieces with the blue point as a middle vein. When that is done, push the fuchsia part toward the sides to fill in all the gaps. Once everything is nicely fit together, pinch the fuchsia side into a point as well and reduce the cane. Our morning glory petal is done. And here are a couple flower arrangements I did with the petals. Next up is the Primrose petal. Make two blends, ultramarine blue and white, cadmium yellow and white. Turn the blue blend into a bullseye and the yellow blend into a fan fold. Cut the blue blend into 5 pieces of different sizes. For each piece, fold over the blue clay over onto the white as much as you can. Put the pieces together and squish into a rectangle. You will need to reduce it once and cut it into 2 sections. Put them back together side by side and push together. And at that point, do not reduce. Now take the yellow fan fold and cut it into strips. Like with the first cane we did, arrange the pieces back together a bit off-center. Push everything together and then reduce a bit to cut into 2 sections. Put the sections together side by side and reduce again. Once reduced, cut the 2 pieces and put them yellow parts together. Then start to push the white sections closed into points. When done, push the yellow portion into the white side of the blue portion. Push down the sides of both canes toward each other so there are no gaps, and then reduce the cane. Here's our Primrose petal cane. And here's a little flower you can make with those petals. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. As always, like and subscribe so you don't miss my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.